hello, a good morning to you and a happy new day. How are you today? Thank you. So, in this class of today, I will have to take you just as I told you the previous time, that we shall be taking on the writing process, or just simply say writing. And I realized that so many years ago, teachers have engaged students or learners in writing processes. However, the writing of the time did not yield reasonable results, as we still understood that learners still had so many challenges in getting their writings together. So then it was said to be product writing. But this day we are going by process writing. So this morning we are going to discuss writing from the perspective of process. When we say writing, what does it mean? Writing is nothing but what we think about and craft it just as it comes. In other words, we put down our thoughts in writing form. Reminding you of the instruction I gave to you the other time, that our writing process will be taken from the chart, the flip chart I presented in the classroom. It is just there by the wall, so you can easily see what writing process is and what stages are involved in it. However, in this class also, I will remind you that writing process has three basic stages. The stages are pre-writing stage, writing stage, and post-writing stage. What I said, again, pre-writing stage, writing stage, and post-writing stage. These three stages are core and key to writing, and I want you to actually imbibe them so well that at tip of fingers you are able to record and make use of them in your writing. So we start this morning. Writing processes are pre-writing, writing, and post-writing. So we will only pick just one of the three stages, which is pre-writing stage. What stage are we taking this morning? Pre-writing stage. So a pre-writing stage, I don't know. Let us see what pre-writing means. Already everybody knows what writing is about. So we only need to know what the prefix pre means. And in our previous classes, when we went through vocabulary, we studied how we can conceive or derive or break a word down into manageable form so that its meaning can be realized by us without consulting the dictionary. Then we went through prefixes, suffixes, and the base. So pre-writing, the word pre as a prefix means before. Therefore, pre-writing stage will mean the activities that are involved before the writing begins. I repeat, pre-writing stage talks about the activities that are engaged in before the writing commences. And what are those activities? What do you do before you actually begin the writing? Can anybody remind me? What do you do before the proper writing commences? Yes? Okay, let me quickly remind you. The first thing we do is to search for topic or getting the topic. That is very important. Getting a topic to write on is the first step. The first step again is what? Getting a topic to write on. Fine. So how do you get a topic to write on? Yes? Yes, Stella, could you remind us, how do you get a topic to write on? Jones, how do you get a topic to write on? Okay, you write or you get a topic. 1, you can read about it. 2, you can ask around. 3, you can think about it yourself. Which is going to be your favorite topic? So how to get a topic? You can read from the previous essays. You can ask around from your friends, and you can also make a choice of what interests you. So of the three, we're going to pick just one. Thinking about a topic. Thinking about the topic, how do I think about the topic? What can I actually write on? Oh, okay. Let me write on my future wife. My future wife. Oh, that is in fact, it's a very common topic. For the women, they will talk about my future husband. In other words, my fiance is a nice topic to write on based on this class. So, is it a favorable topic to you? Is it a topic that interests you too? Oh, yes, it is, and you may not understand because you must be given the opportunity to make a choice of the topic. That is another thing that stimulates your interest in writing since you conceive that topic on your own. In other words, it is not advisable any longer for teachers to do. So what are the activities involved? Having got a topic, we need to generate ideas. How do you generate ideas? You can generate ideas through brainstorming, through asking around, through reading, through researching or clustering method. So in using brainstorming, we are going to draw a circle so that we get the ideas. So inside that circle, this is the circle. Inside the circle is written what? My future wife. So how do you want your future wife to look like? Okay. Tall, one. Tall, that's a point. Fair, that's a point. Fair. Lanky, that's a point. Honest or truthful, these are an illustrious, godly, these are ideas that you're going to use to frame your essay so that you have different points about that. So do you understand that now? Oh, thank you. So how do you get a topic? Stephen, could you repeat us? Oh, one, Victor. Oh, two, Grace. Three. So since we have got the idea of how ideas are being got now, we can begin to think about writing. So in our next class, I will always remind you and I want you to put that into practice. So before then, I'm giving you a task, a home assignment, which you will bring as a feedback. So get two topics. Write it down, please. Get two topics of your choice and generate ideas with which you will write the essay. I repeat, get two topics of your choice and generate ideas with which you will write the essay. Thank you.